I feel like as women, we're so crazy capable, and we have to remember in this ability to do anything a man can, we do have to mind progesterone. We have to realize that when progesterone comes in the week before our period, that there has to be a softness. It's like an ebb and flow.
Right.
Like hormones have a dance to them. And, you know, with men, they're on a 24-hour cycle. We're on a 28-day cycle. So we need a longer period of recovery, a longer period of softness. And if we don't do that, now the hormones are completely off. They're completely out of balance.
Right.
And it's hard because I'm sure you think about this as like, I'm a woman, I can do anything.
Right.
Except we also have to embrace when we're supposed to do nothing, and there is power. That is powerful to embrace when we're supposed to do nothing.
Right. I think that's so powerful. I mean, we can do anything, but we also have to be mindful of everything.
That's right.
In a sense,
That's right.
we have to be mindful.
Yeah.